Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to change country or location on Shein app. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Shein application, and if you haven't logged into your account, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on this home page. From here, tap on the Me icon from the bottom right corner. You will land on your profile page. From here again, head over to the upper right corner. There you will get gear icon. Tap upon there. That will take you to your settings page. From here again, tap on location. And there simply select the country that you would like to change. Once you select that, your location or country will be changed on Shein app. So that's how you can simply change country or location on Shein app. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.